Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand the next question that we have for today. Today is 2nd March and we have this question, the lead code question 2873, as you can see here, and the question is saying that maximum value of ordered triplet 1. Okay, so maybe you have already seen this question or not, I'm not sure, but I have already solved this question long time back, and so let's start. So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Expert Funda, and today we have an exciting problem to solve, that is the maximum triplet value. So let's dive into it. Okay, so you are given 0 index integer array nums, and our goal is to find the maximum value of all triplets that we have given I, j and k. So say that j we have given is greater than I and less than k, and the formula for the value of triplet is num of I minus num of j, you can say, and that we calculate it will multiply nums at k. So let's begin from here, and better you pause this video, you go through this statement, so it will help you to understand, right? So what we can do, let's read, let me read this question. So we have given a 0 index array, and we have to return the maximum value over all the triplet indices I, j, k, and this is, we have given that I have already talked, if all the triplets have a negative value, return 0, or the value of the triplets is equal to, then it should be equal to this, right? Means nums at I minus nums at j, and then we'll multiply with the nums at k. For example, for this input we have given, right, we have to do what we have to do. The value of triplet 0 to 4 is what will become 77, right? If you multiply that, right, so it can be shown there are no order triplets of the indices with the value greater than 77, right? Hope you are understanding that I'm trying to say here, right? And you try to consider this example as array. We want to check every triplets, and then we'll calculate that. After checking all the possible triplets, the maximum value is what we will return, right? So better approach is here. Let me go through and let me write the code here. Okay, I'll zoom this. Okay, so first of all, because I already know this problem, let me remove my these things. Okay, yeah, I remove my tab. Okay, so what we have here, we have given maximum triplet, we have given nums at I, right? So let's suppose if we have, and I'll go through the very simple approach, right, and you can optimize according to your thing. So if we have n equal to we have already given nums, right, and if we'll do length, right, you will get the length of the array, array length you will get, right? And then we have to return, let's suppose the result that we are trying to is initially it is 0. Okay, now to calculate the RES, right, we need three things, right? The multiply that we are going to do, right, let me show you this part, right? This part that we are talking about, right? This part we require actually. Let me copy this. Okay, and I'll keep it here. So this part we required, right? And to find this part is nothing but our RES, right? But we have to find the max one, not the directly we'll do like this and you will get, right? We have to find all the possible values and the maximum what is coming, combination from here, what is maximum is coming, that we have to return, right? So how we'll get all those combination? Obviously you have to make the for loop, right? And for loop, what we will start from, I equal to let's suppose I, j and k will take. So I equal to 0 will start, and then I should be less than n. It is very easy problem, so I want to show you. Okay, and you can say we'll take another loop. I'm starting from the for loop, then I'll go with int j will start from I plus 1, we should start I plus 1, and then j will go for less than what, n, and j plus plus, like this will go. Okay, one ahead. Similarly, because j should be greater than I, but should less than k, right? So for loop for the k will become what? Int k is j plus 1 and k is less than n and k plus plus, like that. Similar to that we have to do, right? So all these three value you will get I, j and k, right? Num set k, here it should be num set k. Okay, all these things we have to find and then we have to do. So the result you have to get it, right? So as we know, this is your result, this is your result, nothing but this is your result, right? So what I'll do, I'll try to keep it here. Okay, let me extend this. So we are keeping here. Okay, what we will do here, some value will be there, right? Some value will be there. Let's suppose not 0 here, but some value is nothing but this, and some value that is coming from here, right? Correct? We are getting some value, dynamically value will coming from here and some value is coming from here, right? So if we will say, if we will write like this, and then we'll find the max, what will go? Math dot max. If you'll go math dot max, right, then you will have this, right? Num set I, num set j, then we'll do multiply. I guess it is not there, it should be there, yeah. Multiply, then you will have this value, right? I think I need one more. Yeah, why this error is coming? Delete this token. We have okay, we need one more token is here, and then it is done. Yeah, now you can see the result is here. Result will have some data, like so let's suppose 0, and the data is coming from here. We'll have some data, right? Whatever is coming, that will keep storing in the result, right? So this loop will continue, whatever the maximum will there, you will get here, and finally after this loop of this, we will return what? Result. It's very easy, I told you. See, and you will do submit. Once you will submit that, okay, what I have done, wrong answer, test case has passed. Why? Let me check it. J I plus 1 I and this max result. Okay, the problem is here, it is, we are not considering here the data should be in the long, right? So what we should do, we have to typecast it long. I hope now this should work, otherwise I have to see. Okay guys, so it's working. The problem was there because I have not typecasted the value before checking, right? So we should convert into the long and then we should check it, right? You can also try some optimized sorry, some optimized version of this program, right? You can go through no, I have not talked one more thing, sorry, the time complexity. If you talk about the time complexity, it will become what? I, the O n square, right? O not n square, O of n q, because 3 loop is here, right? So if you talk about TC is equal to O of n and its power should be 3. This is the time complexity, right? And if you talk about the space complexity, okay, so we are storing only on the result, and so we can say of 1, right? Yeah, let's go with the O of 1, right? Okay, if you have doubt anything in this problem, guys, please ping me in the comment box and I'll see you in the next one. I'll try to complete all the questions of the March series, and I am traveling also, so I cannot sure, but okay, I'll try to cover in alternate days also. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, keep watching this video, and to do that you have to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.